Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2022 Ram 1500 Rebel that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the truck today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Starting with, it is equipped with your 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine. And as you can see across the truck, you do have your Rebel decals and badging across it as well. Backup camera equipped back there. You do have your rear park sense, so you can see your sensors across that back bumper. Of course, you do get great 4x4 capabilities and all your towing, hauling as well. Just on the passenger side here, you can see you do have a set of running boards equipped on the truck, so a great accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Now the truck itself is is in your crew cab style, so that means you get plenty of interior space both in terms of your front and back seat. So you can see in the back seat there, tons of legroom for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have your rubber floor mats included both front and back, so again, another great little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Checking out some of the features up front here. So you do have your 12-inch touchscreen display, so a lot of great features packed in here, very user-friendly interface. So you do of course have access to all your audio media controls built in there, climate controls, navigation, Bluetooth capabilities, and access to just some of the apps and settings in through there. Either side of the screen, access to your basic climate control options, audio media controls. Below the screen, your trailer brake control, toggle your park sense features on and off, USB port hookups just below that. Tons of storage space in your center console area. Key fob for the truck, you do have remote start. So again, another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to all your cruise control options, Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls. So everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself. Allows you to keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. All your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Power adjustable pedals. But you can see this Ram 1500 Rebel is packed full of great features, inside and out. If you're looking for a great everyday truck that offers that off-road capability as well, this could be the option for you. If you have questions about this Rebel, please feel free to give the team a call, 780-826-2999, or follow the links below.